Glarokavos port is located on the peninsula of Halkidiki, between Pefkohori and the Bay of Rousseau. It is one of the most picturesque spots of Kassandra, where you can admire the scenery and swim at the beach of the same name. On the outer side of Glarokavos, there's a spacious beach surrounded by trees. This wide shoreline, covered in pebbles and sand, has an easy entrance to the water. But the depths rise sharply. The beach will appeal to beach lovers of a quiet holiday. Even in peak season, there are few holidaymakers. This is due to the location of Glarokavos. Only some people know about it, and it is only accessible by car. Going on holiday and looking for a rental car service? Visit the Actis Car website and find the best option for you. All the cars are in excellent condition, come with a full tank, and can be booked at the airport in about 5 minutes. On the beach, due to its length, there are plenty of spaces available for those who want to spread out on their own towel. The beach also has small beach bars that sell all kind of drinks and free sun loungers. These bars also sell snacks. Some bars have showers, changing rooms, free Wi-Fi, relaxation areas, and beach games. The Umbrellas Beach Bar is a very popular hangout and hosts parties and the occasional guest DJ. If you're holidaying in Pefkohori or Paliuri, Glarokavos Beach is a good option for a great time.